Model verbs English grammar presentation. First verb is can, general ability in the present. Be able to, general ability in a present or a future. Could, general ability in the past. Was, were able to, ability to do something on a specific occasion in the past. Should, ought to, had better. Giving advice. Should, ought to, had better. Saying what is right thing. Need to, have to, expressing necessity. Need to, have to, expressing lack of necessity. Must, obligation. Must, strong recommendation. Mustn't, prohibition. Mustn't versus don't have to. Thanks for watching.